For over a century, the people of Nexans Canada, our pioneers, have been dedicated to and united by a singular mission: to electrify the future. Nexans Canada began its operations in 1911 as Canada Wire. In 1965, Canada Wire and Essex Wire formed a joint venture in Fergus manufacturing wire and cable locally. As a vertically integrated company, we have a copper casting facility in Montreal that supplies us with copper. This includes up to 14% recycled material. Let's take a few moments to hear from some of my colleagues as they explain why the next 100 years look to be even more electrifying.
Yeah, I started working in Nexans in 1993. I guess that's 32 years ago. I started in the bare wire department. I've had about 7 or 8 different jobs in different departments. Nexans is the best place I've ever worked. People are great to work with. The management is great and great benefits. I think the reasons why customers keep coming back is, number one, is our products are made by Canadians for Canadians, and we have the most complete line of products available.
Fergus is an incredible community to work in. In fact, Fergus is the most Scottish town in Ontario and every year hosts the Scottish Festival and Highland Games. The Games are the largest gathering of clans in the world outside of Scotland and Cape Breton Island. The community also celebrates Tartan Day each April, where you'll see shops display their clan tartans and residents in their finest kilts. Our plant builds cables for residential, commercial, industrial, and solar markets. These cables we produce are used all over Canada in places like the CN Tower, the Confederation Peace Bridge to PEI, and in the new Rogers Centre.
I've been working here for almost 3 years. I make residential wire, which is basically anything that you would have in your home. I would like to work at Nexans until I retire. There are so many people here that have worked here. Some of them, it's their only job that they've ever had, and they've retired from here. And my only regret is that I didn't come here sooner.
What really sets us apart is our commitment to innovation. A great example of this is our NMD90 Canadex cable, which contains really unique features like Instaglide lubricant and enhanced strippability. These features help electricians save time and improve the quality of their work. We have also deployed Industry 4.0. Nexans can ensure that our industrial processes are robust so we can meet or exceed our customer requirements.
What is Industry 4.0? As an engineering and digital manager, I'm very excited of the growing potential of Industry 4.0. It's more than just computer monitoring and machinery. It addresses the 3 pillars of E3: environment, economy, and people engagement. To address all 3 pillars in an effective manner, we monitor energy consumption, we reduce our carbon footprint, we bring in people engagement, and we ensure that everyone can be proud of what they do for now and into the future. It's helping Nexans ensure our customer needs are met and everyone is contributing to a sustainable future.
Our 25,000 square meter facility here in Fergus is one of the few cable manufacturers to have its own PVC compounding facility in North America. While Nexans Fergus is located in a small community, we are part of a bigger global picture, and we get to collaborate with our colleagues around the world. At times, we even get to welcome members from different countries into our team.
I started working for Nexan in Colombia by Nexan. I'm happy to be back at Nexan in Fergus. I'm working as a extrusion operator while practicing my English language skill. It has been a wonderful experience. I meet people from different parts in the world. Eventually, I hope to grow with the company and have a long career with Nexan in Canada.
Nexans Canada also maintains a driven focus on sustainability and the environment. In fact, we have surpassed some of our sustainability goals and set the bar high for sustainability and environmental best practices. We strive to be good stewards of our local community. Our sustainability processes and our low carbon offer are just the beginning.
What makes Fergus plant unique is our cooling pond. What looks like a beautiful view is actually functional to our facility. Water is pumped from the pond to our plant here and is used to cool our cables after the extrusion. Water is then replenished from rainwater and underground water so we can top it up. So we never used municipal water in here. We are proud to win the Environmental Best Practice Award for optimization of building automation system, which was a result of a 60% reduction in heating gas usage. We also won the Environment Award amongst all the Nexans plants globally, and we are proud to also be awarded the French-Canadian Chamber of Commerce Sustainability Award. Our product labels now include a QR code with an environmental product declaration. This shows the environmental footprint of our cables through their entire life cycle.
One of the best parts about working at the factory here in Fergus has been the camaraderie between all the workers on the plant floor and in the office. So it's always been a big family type atmosphere. Just an example of something that we've done with the employees is we built a gym that's been in the factory here as long as I've been here, which was 39 years.
We've been serving the Canadian market for over a century now. We're proud of our legacy, our innovation, and the synergy between our plant here in Fergus and our plants in Montreal and Weyburn, Saskatchewan. We're hopeful to continue being the wire and cable provider of choice for another century.